Okay, so I have been getting requests on how to redirect a page in Kajabi when you click on the logo in your header, or really any other link, even if you put it in the footer. So but especially the logo in the header, to something that's not a Kajabi page. So maybe your website is on WordPress or Squarespace, and you don't want to redirect to a Kajabi homepage or to the Kajabi login page, but you want to redirect to that external site. So maybe you're only using Kajabi just for your products and you still have a logo in your header for your login page. But if someone clicks on that link, you don't want it to take them to that Kajabi template website page. You want it to go to your other website homepage or something like that. I'm going to show you how to set that up. So don't mind all these fake pages that I've got right now. This is just an example. But right here at the top is an example of what your Kajabi page is. So like I said, whether that's your login page, whatever has your header with the logo, you've got that page. And then what we need to do is we need to create a new blank page in Kajabi. So just go to the landing pages and create a new one. And I usually just start from scratch. You can call this whatever you want. Know that whatever you put here is going to show up in the little bar up here, so people may see it. But I'm just going to put like redirecting to different website. You can call it like redirecting to, homepage, redirecting to whatever. It also helps so you know when you come back into Kajabi why this page is here. We're going to create that blank page. And of course, as you know, this can take a second. Now I've got this new page. I'm going to erase the blocks that are in here. I'm actually going to leave the text one. What I do like to do here is, instead of making this page completely blank, I do like to put a little message. Sometimes, when you're on another, like let's say a social media platform taking you to a website and they're like, hey, you're being taken off of Instagram or whatever. I could do that here. I like to say you are being redirected, just so people know if they don't see this blank page for a second, in case there's like a split second where the two redirects take a second, and it can happen. So if this page already doesn't have your brand font, get your brand font in here and then just say like you are being redirected. And then usually for desktop, we could probably, I gotta move myself. Oh, not full width. We want full height. Again, you don't have to do this. I like to put this in case there's that split second that someone on this page. And then mobile, looks like it will be okay right about there. Okay, so now on this page, what we also need to do is we're going to add another block. We're going to add the custom code block right here. Here we go, now it puts it back there. And then I'm pasting this script in the description of this video so you can copy it. But you're going to just erase the code goes here, and you're going to paste this script right here. And then you'll see there's two quotation marks here, and it says your link. So this is the link that you want this page to be redirected to. So let's say you wanted it to be to the homepage of your website, you're going to do that. So let me grab mine. Now, there we go. Now my website is built on Kajabi, but just say it wasn't. It can go to any link. Okay, so then I'm going to paste this link here. Now, as soon as I hit save, what it's going to do is it's going to do like not a hard reset, but it's going to show only that page now, even in the editor. So that's something to keep in mind, is once I hit save on here, it's like really hard redirecting it all the time to this page. So let me hit save. And you can see now, you can actually see my homepage here. It is completely redirected to it, even in the editor. So just make sure that this is not a page you're going to want to edit. If you do want to ever edit it, what you'd have to do is either hide this custom code box or delete the link, anything like that. Probably just hide it. If you hit this custom code box and saved it, of course now it doesn't want to do anything as I'm trying to show you this video. but you get what I mean. You just need to erase that code, probably is what it is. But we're going to show it because we are trying to redirect this. So now this is my new landing page in Kajabi where I'm redirecting to my home page. Now the reason this is important is Kajabi has a feature where you can just set your Kajabi homepage as a landing page, and that's how this is going to work. So now what you're going to want to do is go to Settings down in the right or the left corner. And then you're going to go to Site Details where it says Control the Info, Homepage, SEO. So we're going to control the homepage of this. And then we're going to scroll down to Homepage. And so instead of showing the template homepage, you can see we can show the library where people will be prompted to log in. We can show the store, which we don't want to do here. You can show a newsletter. I didn't know that until now. Or you can show a landing page. So we want to show a landing page, and we want to show the one we just set up. Except no, I can't remember the name of it. What did I just call it? The redirect, whatever that was. Well, now it's not liking me, so just a second. Important detail, make sure your page is published, otherwise it will not work. Okay, we're going back to settings. All right, so we may need to refresh this page. Now we can show the landing page, and we want it to be the redirecting page. And then we're going to hit save. So now the only thing is any page that has that header, I just want to make sure that I am redirecting to the Kajabi homepage. So let's go to this example Kajabi page. So if this were my website logo, I'm going to click on it. I think they used to do it where you could go to the login page, but now I think it only goes to the home page. You used to be able to set it up differently. So we should be fine there. So now when you click on that, it's going to take you to whatever you have set as your Kajabi homepage in your settings. So for example, now if I click on it, did you see what happened? I had a quick redirect. That's why I like to put that you are being redirected so they don't get this blank white screen and they're like, what is going on? And then it opened up to this page, which again is on Kajabi right now, but it can go to any URL. So if you had it on WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, wherever you want that homepage redirected to, that's how you do it. So you need your one page that you're directing it from. So maybe your login page or your library page that has the header with your logo. You can do the same with your footer. If you have the logo there, just redirect it from there. Then you need a new blank page where you put the "you are being redirected," put that script on there, and put your link in between the two quotation marks, and then go set your Kajabi homepage as that landing page with the script on it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.